subject now.
Happy, happy, happy.
Happy! What a good day to be riding. And falling. Katie?
That's not permitted, no falling.
No. No dwelling on sad.
Happy, happy, happy.
Yes.
It is a pretty day. Gorgeous.
Nice to finally have some day. You know, it almost seemed foreign when the sun came back out again. It rained for so long. It rained a lot. Oh. Fox Creek Road, the edge of the road collapsed.